Hey, my name is Greg.
My name is Kylie.
We're athletic training students at Marshall University.
And we're here to talk to you about Domain 4, Injury and Illness Prevention.
For regular, everyday people, injury and illness prevention can be stretching, drinking water, exercising, applying a Band-Aid with antibiotic ointment, and more.
But for an athletic trainer, injury and illness prevention is all of that and much more. A few of these preventative measures may include e-stim, heating, muscle group stabilization, joint mobility exercises, rolling out, helmet and shoulder pad fitting, and wiping down tables.
So the video you just saw is just an example of the interactive classroom and clinical experiences our students have here at Marshall University. If you'd like to know more about Marshall athletic training, please visit us at marshall.edu and set up your visit today.